everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, looking ngenjalo ke imiyalezo yenduduzo emndenini womsunguli wendawo yokuzijabulisa okuthiwa Eyadini eseThekwini Emlazi. Lokhu ke kulandela ukudlula kwakhe emhlabeni emva kokuthi ke kuminyezela ukuthi ke ushawe stroke. The statement by the family reads as follow: We are saddened by passing of our founder Jabulani Thamsanqa Nzama, known as Jiga Mani, an amazing soul full of love, joy, and faith, ascended to heaven away from us but closer to God. Due to the sudden news, Eyadinilaunge will be temporarily closed until further notice. We would like to extend our greatest gratitude to every one of you for always being by his side. His family requests to mourn privately and the funeral details to be confirmed. Regards. So yeah guys, indaba ke lezi ezibuhlungu ngempela. Eyadini ke indawo nje ibinokutrenda kakhulu lapha yana ku Facebook ngama pictures ke amahle athathwa khona ke uma ngabe uvakashele khona. So ke guys, yeah, we are hoping ukuthi ke ukushona kwakhe won't be the end of Eyadini. May his soul rest in peace and condolences to his family and friends. Bye.